It's time for 2-Minute Tuesday, the challenge where we bring you tools, tips, tricks,
and tactics in a
timely
manner.
Yes, it's time to play
Beat the Clock!
There are a lot of different types of glue available.
Deciding which glue
is right for your project can be a sticky topic. Granular hide glue is good for anything indoor.
Furniture,
cabinetry, veneer,
marquetry,
musical
instruments,
kitchen gadgets,
everything
but exterior projects,
and your kitchen
sink. Its shelf life is indefinite.
Just keep
your powder dry.
Mix what you need.
That lasts a week. Mix the granules 1-to-1 with water, cover it,
and heat it in a double boiler,
crock pot,
or a glue pot
to about 140 degrees.
The open time
for thick glue on a colder surface is about 1 minute. Warm wood and hot glue might extend that
about 10 to 30 minutes.
Adding vinegar will also extend your open time.
It cleans up with water and rolls off when in the gummy stage. Can your glue do that? Do you like gummy?
It's reversible. Wet and reheat it to make your repairs.
Like fixing mistakes.
It's non-toxic and even edible. Ugh. As a bonus, it's transparent to stain.
Old brown glue is just hide glue, but with a few minor differences.
The glue isn't quite as strong as the granular hide glue joint.
It has an 18-month shelf life maximum. If it's moldy on the surface, smells of ammonia,
or is really runny at room temperature,
throw it out.
There's
no mixing.
Titebond
2 for Tuesday.
Or yellow glue is good for painted projects where squeeze out won't matter and future repairs aren't really expected. The shelf life is 1 to 2 years.
Avoid temperature extremes.
If it pours, it's probably okay. If it's thick and gloppy, comes out stringy, or it's turned orange, throw it out. It's ready to use, but work fast. You only have about 3 to 5 minutes open time, and it's dry in 10 to 15. It immediately cleans up with water. You'll have to scrape and sand when it's dried.
Yellow glue like this prevents stain from penetrating, so be careful not to cause blotches.
Titebond
3.
Think Titebond 2 with a few differences.
It's waterproof,
but not for submersion.
So it's good for outdoor furniture.
The open time is a little bit longer, about 8 to 10 minutes, dry in 20 to 30 minutes. It can be applied in colder temperatures down to about
45 degrees, like in this basement.
Time's up.
Our pick for indoor projects,
our go-to glue is Balin Hide Glue. Our second preference would be Titebond 3
for other projects. You'll find affiliate links
for the various glues in this video below in the description.
Thank you for your support.